In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up social customer reviews on your website. We're going to go over here into social and social reviews. We have the ability to pull in reviews from both Google and Yelp. So I'm just going to go into Google and hit connect here. I'll paste in the number for dealer websites. You just want to make sure whatever phone number you put in here is the one Google has registered for your business. So I'm just going to hit search your business. It's founddealerwebsites.com. It's my correct address. So I'm just going to hit select. Now our reviews are linked to Google. I'm just going to hit get latest reviews. That's going to pull in all the Google reviews that I have since the last time I checked this. This is the first time I've done it, but you can periodically check it and get the latest reviews people have left. We usually recommend approving 4 or 5-star reviews with text, just because a review without any text isn't so useful. I want to show this review here. All 4 of these look good to me. They're all 5-star, they all have text. So I'm just going to hit show. If I didn't want the review, maybe it was a low score or there was no text, I would just hit hide. And I'm just going to show all these. And I'll open up my processed reviews. You can see these are all the reviews that I've gone through and approved. I could always go ahead and disable it here. If I had hit hide on one of the reviews, it would have showed up in processed as disabled. Same process for Yelp. Just connect, put in your phone number, and search the business. Like I said, anytime you want to update, just hit get latest reviews, and it will show you all the reviews that have been made since the last time you checked. In another tutorial, I'll show you how to add these onto your website. And that's all for this one.